we have lots of groups, 10, right? Okay, send it to the Learnivio team and that question we were solving. We solved this one, and yeah, third question we did. Okay, so the third one, right? So first question we have done, right? Hello, Rifa. The first question we did, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And then we were doing this second problem, right?
Yeah.
So in the second problem, what did we, oh, did we do this second problem? Can you check and tell me, did we do this problem?
No, we just did the first one.
Okay, only the first, right? So in this question, right? In this question, A is not given. A2 is given, right? A2 is given, which is 30, and A3, this is also not given. I guess we did this problem. Yeah. So which question? Yeah, this is the question, right? We have done this. This was the question, right? This one, right, Rifa?
Yeah.
So, do you want me to do this problem again?
One second. Let me just check. The yeah, was the answer 8
18
and
and 18 and okay. Why this is also 18? So D is negative, right?
yeah,
So
it was 18 and minus 5.
18 and it was
D was minus 1. Yeah, I wrote it down.
so 8, right? 18 and 8. It was 8.
Yeah, I noted.
Oh, so okay, which means that we have done this problem. So do you want me to repeat this question? Hmm? Did you understand?
No, yeah, I understood.
Okay, so now let us do the next question. So the third question, right? what is happening. Okay, so let me close this one and then open that one. Finally, let's see if it is working. Good, so now it is working. So let's do this third problem. Right. So what is given, Rifa? What is
A is given, A and
A?
is not given.
Right. A is given, A2 is not given, and we have to find out. A3 is not also not given, and we have to find out. A4 is given, which is 19 by 2, right? Right, Rifa?
Yeah.
So A we already know. And what can we write about A4? What is A4? From the nth term, how can we write A4?
A plus n minus 1 into D.
Yeah, so A plus n is 4, right? Minus 1 into D. So this is A plus 3D, right?
Yeah.
So A plus 3D is 19 by 2. So A we already know. A is how much?
A is 5.
A is 5 and then this is 3D equal to 19 by 2. So 3D is 19 by 2 minus 5, which is 19 minus 10 by 2, which, which is 9 by 2. So 3D is 9 by 2, which means D is 9 by 2 into 3. So this is 3. So D is 3 by 2, right?
Yeah.
So now we have calculated D. Then we can calculate any of the terms, right? So A2 would be how much? A2 would be how much?
A plus n minus 1 into D.
Yeah, so A plus N is how much? N is how much?
2.
So 2 minus 1 into D. So this is A plus D. Right? Do we know A and do we know D?
D, yeah, we know D is 3 by 2.
Yeah, so this is 5 plus 3 by 2. So this is 10 plus 3 by 2, which is 13 by 2. So A2 we have calculated. A3 would be again A plus 3 minus 1 into D. So this is 5 plus 2 and then 3 by 2. So this is 8. So this we wanted to calculate. This is 8 and this is out. This is 13 by 2. So understood this problem?
Yes. I'm just noting.
Yeah, so please note it down and then, yeah. Now next question, you will do all the calculation, right? Oh, so you have got real numbers, polynomials, pair of linear equations, quadratic, coordinate, statistics, and probability. Good. So we are doing uh, AP. So we should start, let's finish this AP and then we'll start probability and then statistics. Whenever you have noted it down, please.
I finished.
Finish. Okay, so the next question is similar kind of question, and you please do that. So third and fourth question, right? What is given? A is given, which is
Yes, given -4. A2 is not, A3, A4, A5 is not given.
and A6 is given, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 6. Now, using this one and this one, please calculate and tell me what are the values of A2, A3, A4, and A5 were given. Please calculate and tell. This is the exactly similar question, just like the third one.
Yeah, I found out the value of D,
Yeah,
and
D. So
it's 2. Value of D,
yeah, D is how much you got?
2.
2. Okay, so A plus 5D is 6. Minus 4 plus 5D is 6. So 5D is 10. So D is 2. Good. So D you got. Now please find out A2, A3, A4, A5. Oops. Yes, did you get the answer, Rifa?
Yeah, I'm doing the last
Yes.
A4 and A. Yeah, I got the answer.
Yes.
So A2 I got 2, A3 I got the answer 0,
A
A4 I got 2,
A
and A5 I got 4.
okay, so A2 you got 2
Yeah,
minus 4 plus D. A plus D. A2 is A plus D, right?
yeah,
So
A
A
plus
plus
2
D. So A is minus 4, D is 2. So
plus
minus
2.
4
Yeah.
plus 2 is how much?
2
Yes, 2, but with what sign?
minus 2.
Right? Because 4 is greater. So minus 2. Right? And then this one is correct. Minus 4 into 2 into 2, which is minus 4 plus 4, which is 0. and then minus 4 plus 3 into 2. So minus 4 plus 6.
It's
And then minus 4
fine.
plus 4 into 2. So minus 4 plus 8, which is 4. Good. So these would be the answer. Good. So now you have understood. So now let us do this next problem, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So let's do this problem and then we'll shift to the word problem. Okay. So what do we have? We have A, we don't know. A2 is 38. A3 we don't know. A4 we don't know. And A5 also we don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 we know. So remember to calculate an AP, these are the very crucial things. A, D, right? So if you know these two, then the answer would be very much easier to calculate. So you have these information. So please calculate or please try to find out the answer of this question. Okay. And the hint is that you have to first find out A and then T you have to find out. So these two things you have to find out. And only these two things. So please try to solve this. And you see that this question we have done this in here, right? The second problem. So exactly this one. And please solve this so whenever you are stuck at somewhere, then I'll help. The hint is that you have to use this one and this.
It's the fifth question, right?
Yeah, so the third question, fifth part. So third question, fifth part.
But in that already minus 4 is there. So
Huh?
A is that.
Oh, in the fourth part, minus 4 is there. Fifth one I had,
Okay.
right? So it doesn't have any A.
Okay. Yeah. So, sure, is it like we don't have A and D, so is it like A plus D equal to 38?
Absolutely right. Good. So A plus C is 38, and
Then we can solve uh 38 minus D, so we will get
no, no,
A.
we need another equation, right? Remember linear equation is variable. How many variables do we have,
1, 2.
right? Two unknowns, C and D. So we need another equation. And where can you find the other equation?
With the A6, right? There
A6,
is
yeah.
minus
So what would be A6?
A plus minus 2D equal to, no, A
N,
plus
N is out.
N is 6.
So 6 minus 1, right?
6 minus 1 into D.
So we have the first equation. The second equation is A plus 5 is 1, right? So, so you have this these two equations. So solve these two and tell me what would be here. Any method you will try, substitution, elimination, etc. The closed method, solve these two equations and tell me.
Yeah, we cancel A
Yes,
and 4D equal to.
um,
See, we have minus here, so there is minus 2 on top. So can we like plus it, or should we
yeah.
still minus?
So minus 2 minus 38. So which means that we have to add it. What sign would be negative, right? This is minus 1, right?
40.
So 4 cancels and we have minus. So D is minus 10, right?
Minus. Yeah.
D is minus 10 and then A you can calculate from A plus D is 38. A is D is minus 10. So A is what? Right? Which means this is what? Then this is 38, right? So we decrease 10. Then this would be how? 28. This would be 80, and this would be 80. Right?
Okay, so in this question we have to find A and D in this one.
Yeah. So A
So
and
after that, it's the same thing of finding A3.
yeah, yeah. So I directly wrote because this is 48. So next term would be A minus C, A plus C. So minus of 10, so 30. And then 10 is decreasing. So 10 decreased in this to 20. 10 decreased to 80. 10 decreased to 80. And we can also calculate it by A plus, right? So A is 48 plus 2 into minus of 10. So 48 minus 20 is 50. Right? So we get that. Okay. Yes. So understood. You wrote it down.
Yeah, understood. No doubt. I'm just copying.
Oh, so please, yeah, put it down and then we'll start the word problems. Yes, noted, Rifa.
Yeah, noted.
Now let us do the next set of problems. Okay, so what do we have? So which term of the AP, right? So whatever we have learned in all these three questions, in these three questions we learned that we have to get all these A, D, and N, and then we can calculate A. So three things would be given, and we can calculate the test. So these in these three questions we used those ideas. Now in the fourth question, the idea would be same, but in these three set of question, all the information were there, right? We didn't need to dig it out and find those information. But in these questions, so from 4 and onwards, we have to find out what is given. And then on the basis of that, we have to calculate, right? But solving part, calculation part would be the same as the first three. So the first three questions were to get the hang of the question, right? And then on the basis of that, we will do these problems. So let us start with the fourth question, right? So by looking at the fourth question, what can you tell about the first term,
It's 3.
right? And what is D?
A is 3. The difference is 8 minus 3.
8 minus 3, right? 8 minus 3, so that is 5. Now, what is this? 78 is what?
Um, uh, N.
N. So is this number of terms? Which term of the AP is this 78? So we have this AP, right? And then some term is this 78. So this is some term, not the number of terms. So let's say this is the nth term, right? This is one of the terms, right?
Yeah.
So these are the arithmetic progression, and in this progression we have a term like this. So this
And
is
how
the,
about N then?
yeah. Then which term? So which means that we have to find out n, right? So This is one of the terms, 78, and then from that we have to calculate, right? So this was all about these kind of questions. We have to find out the information ourselves, right? Because in the previous question, all the information were there. So we had A, we had D, we had N, something like that. So in this question, fourth one, A is given, D is given, AN is given, and we have to find out N. So similarly, right? Similar question. So you please do this calculation and tell me what is the N that you are getting.
We use the same formula, a plus
Yeah.
n minus 1.
Absolutely right. So AN we know this is right. So whatever is given, we just plug in those values.
Yeah, so I got the value n is equal to 26.
26, right? So AN is 78. This is 3 and then N minus 1 and 5. So your method, right? 5N minus 5, 78. So 78 minus 3 plus 5 is 5N. So this is 5 minus 3 is 2 and 278 is 80. So N is 80 by 5. So 1 and 6, right? 16. How much did you get? Yes,
I got 26.
26. How did you get 26?
So I added 5 and plus 3, and then I got 8 and then minus 5. And then I minus them, I got 3 and so 3 and is equal to 78, so 78 by 3.
By 3. So D is 5, right?
Yeah,
So A is 3. 3 plus N minus 1 into 5. So this would be 5N minus 5, right?
yeah, that one is correct. Till there it's correct.
So then this
So
5 goes
after
in. So then 5 goes in here, so it will be added and it will be subtracted. So 5 minus 3 is 2, right? So 2 plus 78 is 80.
We can't just add with the number like 5 and with 3.
Yeah, so 5 minus 3 is plus 2, right? And then 78, so 80. Or you can do this way. So 78 minus 3 is 75, right? And then plus 5, so 80, right?